One, are you getting the POS because your neighbor has the POS? Or you're getting the POS because you need a POS that will serve your business very, very well? Not a POS that will withdraw, that will debit a customer through withdrawal through ATM card, and your POS will not be credited. Are you looking for a POS that will help you to detect a fake transfer? Now, I have something to remind you. Before success rate came in, to check network status of bank, if you were normal with using bank's app before the success rate came up, there was a particular bank that used to be very, very reliable, that even to today, they are still very, very reliable. It is very, very hard that you open a phone without seeing that particular bank app, which is Opay. Now, Opay POS company has a lot of amazing features that will help to facilitate your business. One, Opay POS has this feature from the transfer number that used to show on the screen. Whenever a successful transfer is done, if that transfer is a fake transfer, if it is transferred to the account number showing on the screen, Opay POS will help you to detect it. Before banks finally started coming into POS, Opay apps, Opay transactions, Opay Bank has been the most reliable app from transferring. And when customer transfers money to you, you receive your money. And currently, there's this feature, no matter the distance you are, whenever money enters, you always hear that sound of coins. It gives joy. It gives joy. The same feature is in this POS. Now, Opay, because of how they have studied the system of businesses, they literally understood and they have the mindset to help businesses grow. They brought up this particular. You can write the account number and the account name, and it's a sticker. You can literally paste it on any smooth wall. And not only that, this transfer feature that I've been talking about, there's an account number that shows on the screen that is different from the one that shows from the phone app. That transfer, it will help you to detect a fake transfer anytime any fraudulent-minded person wants to make a fake transfer to you. Those kind of transfers that when it is done, you will get message from your bank that a transfer has been made to you, but if you're not fast enough, if you're not careful enough to check the balance, you would think that the message actually came. If that transfer is done to that account number that is showing on the screen, that message will never drop. You will never get that notification. That normal notification that used to make sound like coins dropping, you will never get it. This is unlike most banks that we know today, that a lot of people have been defrauded through this fake transfer. The feature that Opay has brought to you, and it will literally help your business a lot. You carry your paper and paste on the wall, you carry your POS, and it is very, very smart. The screen is very wide and it has a button. Yes, it's not the one that is parallel screen where any small issue, everything is gone. This one, you can use the screen, you can also use the button on the screen, you can also use the button. And the battery, the features, it has a scanner too, where if someone doesn't want to slot the ATM card, the person can just scan and the money will be withdrawn. Exactly. And if there is need for you to capture the face of the person you're doing transaction, it's not the one that you will now have to start turning the POS in this way to capture. Even as your POS is like this, you can just capture the person's face that is doing the transaction. Look at how magnificent the POS is. Yes, this POS is not for everybody. If you need a kind of POS that is very, very reliable, that will help your business and will also give you peace of mind, not the type that if you leave it for your sales rep, your mind will be flying that this person might just do withdrawal. The withdrawal will go successful, but you will not get any credit alert. It will not be in the next 24 hours. No, that kind of issues doesn't pop up with Opay. Yes, and if it is because of loan that you're going for, you've not gotten loan from Opay, is that you have not made inquiry. Yes, Opay personal apps gives loans. Opay business app to give loan through the POS. Exactly. Other banks, they don't used to give loan through the personal apps, but Opay does through the personal app. The same way applicable to the POS. That you've not heard about the POS is because you've not made any inquiry. Yes. And the business interest rate is very, very amazing. It's something that is very, very mind-blowing. And like the interest rate is very, very small because this is meant for businesses. It's not for personal usage. Opay understands what business need. If this is what you want for your business, just reach out to me through the numbers you will see in the comment section or in the description box of this video. You're welcome.